a deep ocean. I want to merge within the ocean, going deeper and deeper with no confusion. There will be a hidden treasure of knowledge inside, or maybe the pearl of divine pride. Cleansing of thoughts will be done with the holy drop. It will emerge a new ray of hope, sleeping forever in the blanket of waves. She will get Piau's love for whom the world craves. When will it happen? She ponders day and night. She wants to run after the flying kite. The sun will be her father who will give light. The way will be glowing with the clear sight. The moon will inspire her to be proud, to scream out her inner thoughts loud.